The team at the Fashion Innovation Agency came together with the wonderful team at Epic Games, as well as fashion designer Taskin Goec, who was a recent graduate from London College of Fashion. And we wanted to realize this project in order to demonstrate how Twinmotion can be used within like a wide variety of fashion brands that work both within the physical but also in the digital realm.
As a mixed reality designer, I work both with digital assets that I create completely in 3D and also with physical clothes. What I like about Twinmotion is that I'm able to use both those assets.
Twinmotion was born out of the need for architects to visualize their creations, but it's come a long way and it's become a tool that can be used across industry.
From speaking to our brand partners, Twinmotion is a real game changer for them. It really allows a high level of photorealism to visualize assets and to bring in digital assets from other software like Clo 3D.
So basically the import system in Twinmotion allowed us very easily to import the garments that Taskin had created physically, and then they were scanned with photogrammetry. But also we were able with 3 clicks to import the garments that were designed in Clo 3D. And then we were able to very easily add them into Twinmotion.
You can change the colors, you can change the textures, and it looks exactly as that final garment would.
There's a lot of easy workflows that allow to create an atmosphere, an environment quickly using those assets and libraries rather than creating everything from scratch.
You have the ability to play around with lots of different 3D tools. So you can change the weather effects really quickly as opposed to more advanced 3D software. The configurator tool, it could be very, very valuable for brands that want to create a lookbook. It allows them to iterate different shots of their product and save them into configurators. So at the end of it, they can render the entire lookbook very conveniently.
Anyone from a design background, a marketing background can get to grips with the user interface for Twinmotion. It's very, very simple, very intuitive to use, and just allows for much more functionality for a team that doesn't necessarily have to have that kind of prerequisite training in something like Unreal Engine. You get all the same functionality, all that level of detail, all the possibilities of Unreal Engine, but with a much simpler user interface.
So for us, that collaboration was at the core of the project, and Twinmotion Cloud allowed that to actually be handled with.
We're now working with teams and seeing 3D operatives scaling their energy and efforts. And in order to scale, we need incredibly powerful tools like Unreal Engine, but we also need tools that can harness that power and allow everyone across the business to access real-time 3D.
I think as a digital fashion community, we were always dreaming of having this real-time experience that we can share with others. Is now a reality.